Started to get some of the pieces back from powder coat today. We got the bumpers, got the U-joint guards for the drive lines. Bunch of the mounts had all the shims powder coated also. That's the rear support for the frame, where they used to tie onto it for sled pulling. The front engine mount that goes across in the frame. Those two plates there for the back part of the subframe that swivels up with the hydraulics. Got all the mounts, shims, and everything powder coated to put back together. That's one of the subframe supports for the cab. And that's for the two filter housings for the engine oil and the transmission oil filter housing on the back of the frame. So, getting a little bit of stuff back. Supposed to work on getting the frame in today. Hopefully they can get that done and get it back to me. And the springs are being built in Corpus. Should hopefully have those back here in a week or two and start going back together.